Ag Power is training technicians and mechanics to go work on farm equipment. So they're going to learn engines and transmissions and electronics and hydraulics, mostly hands-on. We do spend some time in the classroom, but we spend a lot of time in the shop on different machines.
2-year in-person classes. It's a diploma. If they want to take some livestock classes or agronomy classes, they can. And then every student has the opportunity to get their CDL truck license, which is a big plus nowadays in the job market.
At Ridgewater, I had the opportunity to bring my own tractor in. I purchased a tractor on the outside and brought it in. And every morning I get to come in and work on it and spend my money on my tractor. And at the end of the day, I'll have a tractor fully functional. Instructors at Ridgewater are very helpful and caring. They care about their students. Randy and Eric have both helped me get my job after college. Both encouraged me to push me to get me work on my tractor and my stuff. They're right there with you, showing you how stuff works and explaining stuff as we go.
Industry partnerships, it's a pathway to a job for them, so a lot of our students are able to work while they're going to school at these dealerships through these industry partners.
The job outlook's really good. Most of our students probably have jobs already before they graduate. There's multiple opportunities for them.
Anything from being a tech to salesman, parts man. There's a lot of jobs out there.
If you like a challenge and working with your hands and your mind, it's an excellent trade to get into.